Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a Keralite side dish which is served along with sadhya. The sadhya is served during festivities like Vishu and Onam with many varieties of side dishes. This side dish name is Pulissery. Usually they serve mango Pulissery. Today I'll be making a quite different one. Today I'm going to make a watermelon Pulissery. You all will be surprised how it will taste, but it is as good as Mambar Pulissery, that's the mango Pulissery. Do give it a try. Now let me move on to the recipe. For that I will be taking few pieces of watermelon. I'll be mashing them with the masher, or you can use your hands to mash it. And once you mash it, it will become quite juicy. Now to this you will be adding some turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and the next thing you'll need to add is the salt. I've added 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well, and you'll need to cook it for 5 minutes on a medium flame till the water evaporates and it becomes a little bit dry. Next thing you have to do is grind some coconut along with some cumin. That's 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and 1 green chili. In a mixer, put them all, put some water and grind to a fine paste like this. Now you have to add this to the watermelon mixture and cook it till it becomes dry. Like all the water dries up and it becomes a tight mixture. Cook it for 5 minutes on a medium flame. And once it's cooked, switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now to this you need to add 1/2 cup of curd, that's a thick curd, and mix well. Your watermelon Pulissery is almost ready. The last thing you'll need to do is the tempering. For that I'll keep a pan and pour in 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use coconut or the normal sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, add in mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 red chilies, and curry leaves as well. Since I didn't have, I didn't put. You'll need to pour this over to the watermelon Pulissery. Now your yummy watermelon Pulissery is ready. It is as good as the other Pulissery, that's the mango Pulissery. Please do try out this new Pulissery, that's the watermelon Pulissery, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, do take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.